Hello, hope you are staying safe and healthy. Today I would like to talk about depression and self love. Depression is the consequence of not living your life the way something inside you really wants to live it. Does that resonate? It is no secret that depression is a worldwide epidemic and a silent one to that. Do you know why? Because we are no longer in touch with our inner self and what we truly need. We are constantly suppressing, denying, and masking our feelings and vulnerabilities to appear as perfect and get together to the real world. Depression is also termed as anger turned inward. Anger and sorrow are natural responses where parts of us crying out loud to be understood and loved. So every time you judge yourself, you criticize yourself, you emotionally cut off yourself, you cut off your intrinsic source of energy and power. You diminish your natural state of joy, peace, and love. It's so sad that so many beautiful souls live this world immatured without serving the entire journey of life. How hopeless and helpless would one feel to reach such a destructive state of mind and end one's life? It's so unacceptable. So we really need to slow down and be more grounded. We don't need to judge or compare ourselves. We need to change the parameters of success. We got to be more acceptable of ourselves and people around us. We need to reduce social pressures, reduce needs, and slow down. It's our responsibility to watch out for people within or around us. We need to talk when we need help. Let's talk. Let's speak to people who are dedicated to such causes. Let's make psychologists, psychiatrists, counselors, life coaches be part of our lives, just as our dentists, ENT specialists, medicine specialists. Really, it's time to change, and the change should come from within. The true antidote to depression and anxiety is loads of self-love and self-compassion. It is an act of being kind and gentle to yourself, no matter what. True love is giving yourself unconditional support and appreciation. It is like telling yourself that you deserve the best life possible, that you are valuable, worthy, and deserving of happiness. It's a disability treatment that you can give yourself, that you move into a new space of consciousness and you promise yourself to see yourself differently. It's an ultimate commitment that you'll always love yourself and be true to yourself no matter what. It's a disability treatment that you accept your life with new beliefs and thoughts. You deserve life, a good life. You deserve love, an abundance of love. You deserve joy and happiness. You deserve to live comfortably and prosper. You deserve good health. You deserve freedom, all that you can be. You deserve not to be restricted by any restrictive thoughts. You release and let go of the limitations of your parents. You of course love them, but you go beyond them. You are not bound by any fears and prejudices of the current society you live in. And the universe is more than willing to manifest your new beliefs. And you accept this abundant life with joy, pleasure, and gratitude. And you affirm it, and you know it and accept it to be true. Working on your inner self, self-care, self-healing, and focusing on relationships, family, and the right people around you is a priority. Pleasing people at the cost of you disconnecting from your soul of who you really are is really draining and self-draining. If people cannot be happy for who you are, then you're with the wrong people. Yes, you are with the wrong people. And lowering yourself to please them gives you nothing but misery. So it's as simple as that. Be you. Yes, we need society, we need friends. But the moment you have to change yourself to be accepted, you have to project a false image of yourself, it becomes tiring, for you, and you become hollow and empty from inside. So it's really, really time to change. You don't have to be puppet to people's opinions and beliefs. People's opinions are the worst way for you to determine how you feel about yourself. And as parents, it is our responsibility to imbibe those qualities of good life, good food, good nutrition, good exercise to our kids, because youths of today are the future of tomorrow. So we need to inculcate the habits of self-love, the me time, the time for meditation, prayer, good food, good nutrition, the exercises they enjoy, so that it really revitalizes their mind and regenerates their mind. It has been proved by science that meditation really calms your mind, gives clarity and confidence to your mind. So as parents, it is our responsibility. We owe it to our children. So everybody wants to have a happy life, but very few people are able to sustain it. Just like you want to buy a car next month, and the moment when you buy the car, you become happy, you become happier or happiest. But within time it subsides. Why? Because we are not connected to ourselves from within. Everyone wants to live a life with vitality and juice and lot of energy, whatever the external circumstances might be. But for that, you need to work on yourself. You need to talk when you really need help. You need to build an environment. You need to create a group that helps you, that motivates you. So there are two types of depression I want to tell you: situational depression and clinical depression. Situational depression can be overcome, but when you need clinical depression, when you have clinical depression, you need medication. You need to talk to psychiatrists, people around you. You need to have life coaches in your life, because the serotonin levels drop so much that people with clinical depression lose their reasoning power. So you need to be with them all the time, be 24 hours. So talk to your husband, talk to your wife, talk to your children, have a family time, be with them all the time. So you need to talk, really need to talk when you need help. So true love to yourself, happiness to yourself should be your utmost important thing in your life. It is you who should be happy. It is you who should be given utmost importance. So I hope this session was useful to you, and I really hope that you live a very healthy, happy life. Meditate, pray, silence, reconnect within. Thank you.